Hello friend, how are you? Today we are going to react. Hania Amir came to my house for Bangladeshi food. So बांग्लादेशी फूड्स के लिए जो है ना मतलब फूड्स का रिव्यू शायद होने वाला है इसके अंदर वो भी हानिया आमिर की तरफ से और रफासन आई थिंक द छोटा भाई ये उनका व्लॉग होने वाला है तो काफी मतलब मजा आने वाला है व्लॉग वैसे देखकर
व्लॉग देख के वैसे मजा आता है
और फूड का व्लॉग होने वाला है स्पेशली तो फूड व्लॉग बड़े ही अच्छे लगते हैं
वैसे बांग्लादेशी फूड मतलब हमने देखी थी ना वो जो याया खान की वीडियोस में हम देखते थे तो बड़े ही मतलब प्यारे अच्छे खाने होते थे
बिल्कुल मतलब काफी एक्साइटमेंट है जानना चाहते हैं कि हम हानिया आमिर के क्या रिव्यूज हैं खाने और जायकों को लेकर
बांग्लादेश के तो हमें बहुत इंटरेस्ट है इस वीडियो को देखने का सो मजे का ये आई थिंक व्लॉग होने वाला है हमारे लिए भी और अगर आप हमारे साथ देखेंगे तो आप भी काफी इंजॉय करेंगे सो जल्दी से फिर इस व्लॉग को स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं देखते हैं
Why is Hania Amir in front of my house?
Hello.
Hi. Assalamualaikum.
Thanks for coming to our house.
Thanks for having me.
Awkward. To find out if my mother can cook or not.
Whoa.
And to make things more awkward, my mom invited her to the kitchen.
Yes.
Oh, you what?
Yeah.
Really?
And she started flexing.
Turkish kebab.
Yes.
Okay, I'll take it. Ooh, love the sound of that.
Oh, you can ask your friends to join as well.
Yeah?
To eat. Yeah.
Mavi.
Damn, I wish I had friends.
What?
Just saying.
Hey, we're friends.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, we're your new friend.
He's like, really? Cool. What is this?
This? Wait. It's achar. It's like pickle.
Yeah,
I think I'm just like you. It's mango.
Please tell her to come sit now.
What? Oh, Amo, Bosho.
She's cooler than you.
Why?
Your mom.
Why?
Because she just is.
Why?
Naturally, she just is.
Do you want to have more each?
Let's go. Let's go. Let's do it.
You guys are gonna. Everyone. The entire thing.
Cheers, guys. Oh my goodness. I don't even have water.
It's not that spicy.
Mavi, you took the tiniest bite ever.
Wait, I'm like the only one who ate.
Oh, you ate the entire?
I thought everyone's gonna eat.
I'll eat a little more for you.
You have a bit more?
A few moments later.
It's not.
मजे मजे में मैं कर जाती हूँ गलत चीजें. Thank you so much.
You want more?
I'm good. This is good.
This is good?
This is good.
Do you like it? You can be honest.
I am honest, unlike you.
I am always really honest.
Now that we become friends, what was my first impression?
Mine on you.
No, mine on you. I've asked the question.
Okay.
Do you not know what it is like to be on the receiving end of questions?
Being honest, there's one part I really liked. What? About Tanya? Yeah. It was a big room. You went up to everyone and shake their hands. So yeah,
Yeah.
I don't know. It's really nice of you.
People don't shake hands.
No, like down to earth, you know.
Aw.
Yeah.
I thought you were sweet.
Oh, thank you.
I thought you were sweet, and I knew that, like I said in the earlier video, that you're gonna be super loud on camera. You had this silent confidence about you.
Really?
Yeah, I love it.
Thank you.
The confidence, also the food.
And then I went home and watched your video.
Did you like it?
Yeah.
You liked it?
I couldn't understand the language, but yeah, they were cool.
Oh, you want fish?
Yes, please.
Did you try Hilsha fish before?
No, I haven't.
This is the king of all fishes.
Really?
Yeah. This one? Yeah, this one. Really good. So we export this everywhere.
Okay.
Yeah. You like the food?
I love the food. I wish I knew Bangla. I would like fully chat with your mom right now, complaining about you.
Oh, she already does that.
उर्दू में बात करें.
Yes, yeah. Nice.
आपको समझ आती है उर्दू? Yes. आपका बेटा बहुत अच्छा है.
Means I'm amazing.
Very sweet and very down to earth and very welcoming, very warm. Alhamdulillah, mashallah, mashallah.
What were your first thoughts about Bangladesh when you just got down?
It looks just like
Just close to
Just
home.
like?
Yeah,
Oh, and
yeah, it's
very beautiful. Love the food.
can I ask you a question?
Yes, sir.
Like on your Instagram bio,
Oh my God.
it
What?
says Pindi Boy. What does it mean?
Pindi's a city.
Really?
Pindi boys over there. They're known for being extremely cool in their own way. So, but you'll have to come down to Pakistan to actually understand the essence of it.
Huh?
What are you thinking?
Oh no, I'm thinking about going to
You know, when
Pakistan.
somebody's talking to you, you can talk back.
Oh yeah. I like this thing, okay?
Yeah.
No. It's just my mom was giving me a look.
Oh.
Yeah. See, I can blame shift on her. Anything. That's the best part about parents. Till we don't.
I'm worried about you, man.
I didn't sleep yet, but yeah.
Does anyone know what he's saying?
No? No?
Like somewhat, we have to guess. You're like a toddler. Like, you know, you say half words and then we have to like make a sentence out in our heads.
Makes sense.
Oh.
Oh. What food did you guys like the most till now in Bangladesh?
I think I'm about to really like the Shami kebab.
Shami kebab.
Yep. Shami kebab बहुत अच्छा है. Thank you for this. What do you like the most?
Me?
Ah.
Thing I love the most is tehari.
Oh. Shami kebab wins.
Really?
Wins. Can you put some chicken for me? My
Yeah, for sure. You want a
Yes, please.
drumstick? Yeah. You want more rice?
No, I'm good.
You're
Thank you. I don't like the fact that I asked you what did you think of me when you first met me and you just gave like a one.
Oh, okay.
thing.
You want? Okay, wait.
What did you think of me when you first met me?
I'm gonna be super honest, okay? So my friends came up to me and they were like, "How is she? How is she? How is she? How is she?"
Yeah. How was I?
You're like an extrovert, right?
I'm an extrovert.
Yeah, like a super extrovert.
yes,
Also
I
with humor.
Social anxiety is scared of me.
Yeah, and
Okay.
now I know how you're so good at what you do. No?
I'm
Is it
waiting for him
weird?
to make sense of all of these sentences.
It's true.
Say a sentence and then
She'll translate it.
yeah.
Okay. You're an extrovert
I'm an extrovert.
and you have a bubbly personality, right? Pretty cool.
Thanks.
Are you short-tempered? No. No.
Are you face reading?
How can you ask a guy? Like I'm bad at like if someone asks me, I can't
Thank you.
translate.
Did you understand that?
Yeah. This time I did.
Okay, yeah, this actually makes sense.
This actually made sense. Yeah.
Partially?
Thank you so much.
Wow. The bar is so low. The bar is so low. After you're done with this, I'm gonna make you try one thing. Are you? Oh wait, sorry. Yeah. Wait.
I'm not done with it.
Okay.
Do you want me to be done with it?
No. You want more fish? You look like a fish person.
I'm an everything person. I don't do nafra. You know what nafra is?
Oh yeah, nafram.
Listen, by the way, I missed the goat. I didn't get to take a picture with the goat. I'm very upset with that.
So it's gonna be goat biryani. No. But we didn't. Someone else bought it and now it's goat biryani. Earlier today,
Yeah.
you were mentioning, remember, this person who sent you a huge text.
That was even difficult for me to read.
Can I ask him to come?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh my god, he's here.
Mahim! Hi, Mahim.
Hello.
Come sit with us. Come have a seat. Hi, nice to meet you.
I am a crazy big fan.
Thank you so much. Please have a seat. Come eat with us.
Something for you.
He learned Urdu just for you.
Did you though?
Trying.
That's so sweet. Thank you so much for that message. It was beautiful.
How you saw that?
He showed it to me
Sorry.
earlier today.
Sorry.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
So ChatGPT told me you like lassi, so I don't know. Yeah, ChatGPT said you like
बहुत बातें
lassi.
कर रहे हैं मेरे बारे में आजकल.
What?
Nothing. Never
So
mind.
on the first day, you were saying like you wanted to try Rajgulla.
Yes.
Right? Rajgulla ta dawa jabe.
Rasgulla.
Do you have it?
Yeah.
Oh my lord.
This is
It's a
really
dream
good.
come true. I have something to say, guys. Excuse me, this camera, please give me a second.
Sorry, no.
I have seen photos of this and I've always wanted to have these. This is a dream come true. Because we have the ones we have in Pakistan are not like this. They're not dipped in sheeta.
This is like the best. It's just the best.
Thank you so much. Thank you
You
very
want
much.
more water? Yeah.
Yes, please. If you're righty, I wonder why you're doing it with your left hand.
Cause I'm.
Do you like
Be
it?
careful. I didn't try it yet, but like you're dropping everything.
Oh,
So
yeah.
like just like
Sorry.
आपका अपना ही घर है.
True. Okay, you can be honest about one thing.
So now you understand Urdu?
No.
No, he doesn't. What did I have to be honest about?
Oh, okay. You think I lack manners?
Manners, as in like behaving nicely.
Yeah.
I think you should.
Wow. So, what do you think about Bangladeshi hospitality? How were the people? Oh, sorry.
Wait. मैं बेहोश होने लगी हूँ और मैं चाहती हूँ सब बेहोश हो जाए.
This is very good.
Yeah.
How is it? How is it?
Ooh.
I know my food. I told you guys.
It's insane. It's crazy.
Give my bite.
रोना नहीं है इसके बाद.
Don't try.
Yeah? To die.
Bro, I told you it's gonna be good. Nice. It's good, right?
No, I've never had something like this.
This is so nice.
right? So this is a GI product of Bangladesh.
I love it.
Geographical
It's
indicator.
exactly how I thought it would be.
So we bought this. My mom made this. So now she's feeling a bit insecure. That's why she brought it.
Yeah,
to
we'll have
Dhaka.
it.
Stop it.
No, you know, but I've seen this in movies, right? And then it looks so appetizing, and I'm like, we don't get these here. And I've tried to find these everywhere in Pakistan, and you don't get these ones.
These are so soft.
Now you're gonna post it on TikTok, aren't you?
Yeah, he's the one who's been posting it on
You're the one who
TikTok.
exposed us. You are the one who posted that video. I know it now.
And these.
He's the one.
And can I tell you something? Each and every one, they're like, why are they calling me a wolf? Sorry, a fox.
It's just gulab jamun.
Yeah.
They're so tiny and cute.
Thank you.
Can you send this?
This, yeah, you can take it. It's for you. You can take it. What did you like the most?
Everything.
Everything.
Everything was so yummy. Thank you so much for having us.
Oh, no. It's
Look
my
at these
pleasure.
guys. They are glowing differently now. At least I know I am.
This is the food?
It's beautiful. Yeah.
Earlier today, right?
diehard.
Ammo, act a second. Please, Ammo, if phone it to
Hello?
me, you cannot do that.
Hello,
You cannot.
assalamualaikum.
You can. Oh my.
Hello, assalamualaikum. How are you? Nice to speak to you. Okay, bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Extremely sorry.
Don't about. No.
I showed you a older side of Dhaka
Yeah.
today, right? That's called Puran Dhaka.
Okay.
But I really want to show you a modern side of Dhaka.
Okay.
So I saw a few pictures of you in front of Times Square, New York. So we have our own little Times Square
Okay.
in Dhaka. Do you want to see it?
Yes, please.
For sure.
Yes, for sure.
Sure. Let's go.
Everyone say thank you, Ramsan.
What?
1, 2, 3. Thank you, Ramsan. Thank you so much. You don't have to say. We're saying it to you.
No, I wasn't saying it. Sorry, it's so awkward.
Aw, thank you so much for such a lovely
No,
dinner.
thank you. It's all my mom. Thank you.
You forced her to do this, I know.
No.
Obviously you did.
No.
Thank you for letting us in your home.
No. Thank you.
so much.
No, you can
Thank
take
you for
this home.
having us. Of course I will.
So this part of the video, you guys already saw it because it got leaked all over social media. But this is our way of treating a guest.
So this is our Times Square, and we have a small surprise for you.
Oh
Look,
my god, that is so cute.
right? But wait, there's more. Look, there,
Sweet. Thank you so much. That is so cool.
right?
That is really
Your
cool.
face is everywhere in Bangladesh.
Thanks, Bangladesh. That's really sweet.
Literally, welcome to Bangladesh.
Thank you for having me.
No, thank you
all
for
for
being.
having me.
Thank you for being such a nice sport. So yeah,
We're having fun.
we're having fun, and that is our awkward ending.
What a beautiful video जिसको हमने अभी देखा तो बहुत ही प्यारा जो है ना व्लॉग था और इसमें हानिया आमिर को जिस तरह से जो है ना फैसिलिटेट किया और उनको जिस तरह से एक जो है ना खाने दिए जाते हैं फूड जो है ना वो दिए जाते हैं और बांग्लादेश के जो खाने हैं वो बहुत फेमस हैं कि वहाँ के खानों का टेस्ट बड़ा ही अच्छा होता है और बड़ा ही प्यारा टेस्ट होता है खाने वाले को मज़ा आ जाता है और वो हमें दिख रहा था कि हानिया आमिर जिस तरह से वो मतलब उसकी तारीफ कर रही थी खाने की और जिस तरह से वो खुश होकर खा रही थी एक्साइटेड थी
सब कुछ इतना अच्छा बना हुआ है
हाँ और ये भी है कि उन्होंने हर चीज ट्राई की ये नहीं मतलब ऐसा होता है ना कि इंसान कहता है बस ठीक है अब बने लेकिन इस तरह से नहीं क्योंकि टेस्ट ही इतने कमाल के जिस तरह कह रही थी ना बहुत अच्छे बने हुए हैं
हॉस्पिटलिटी देख के मतलब वहाँ के लोगों की जो मतलब एक वेलकमिंग है बांग्लादेश के लोग और वो प्यार दिखाते हैं और इतना ज़्यादा मेहमानों का ख्याल रखते हैं गेस्ट को मतलब जो भी उनके पास आए ना तो वो उनको इस तरह ट्रीट करते हैं कि उनको एकदम वहाँ को अपना
वगैरह सारी मतलब अभी हम लोग देखे ना हम लोग व्लॉग देख रहे थे यानी कि हानिया आमिर हमारे लिए तो एक बहुत बड़ी सेलिब्रिटी है इतनी बड़ी स्टार है तो वो जैसे मतलब वो बैठे हुए थे खाने वगैरह सारे इट्स लुक लाइक अ देसी फैमिली जैसे बैठी हो और वो डिनर कर रही हो सारे आपस में गप्पे शप्पे मार रहे हो और वो खानों की इतना मजे लेके खा रही थी और जब एंड में कहा ना कि ये मैं लेके जाऊंगी मुझे बहुत ज्यादा पसंद आए तो वो भी काफी स्वीटेस्ट पार्ट था रसगुल्ला इधर नहीं
रसगुल्ला
इधर से होता ना इस तरह देखने से इतना अच्छे लग रहे थे वो शीरे में डिप किया हुआ डिप नहीं होता और वो कितना प्यारा बर्तन भी काफी प्यारा लग रहा था जो मिट्टी का बर्तन था
मटकी
हाँ तो वो काफी अच्छा लगा देखकर
और बहुत ही प्यारा व्लॉग बनाया हुआ था और मज़ा आया हमें व्लॉग देखकर और हानिया आमिर के लिए एकदम मतलब ऐसा था कि वो भी बहुत खुश लग रही थी और जिस तरह से उनको वेलकम करा गया बांग्लादेश की एक प्यारी फैमिली की तरफ से और उन्होंने प्यारे अंदाज में उनका स्वागत किया और वहाँ पे उनको खाना खिलाया इतना अच्छे प्यारे अंदाज में, वो देख के बड़ा मज़ा आया हमें और पता चला कि बांग्लादेश के लोग कैसे हैं और वो किस तरह ट्रीट करते हैं पाकिस्तानी अगर कोई सेलिब्रिटी वहाँ चली जाए। तो जब वो फैन मूवमेंट हुआ उनको मतलब एक क्रेजी सा सीन हो गया जब वो बाहर गई और देखा उन्होंने तो हाँ एक फैन मूवमेंट भी और एक वो जो उसमें बाहर गई सिटी के अंदर ढाका में तो पोस्टर
लगे हुए थे ना,
तो वो बहुत प्यारा मूवमेंट लग रहा था और बहुत ही खूबसूरत सीन था वो। और हानिया आमिर एक मतलब देख के बड़ी खुश हो रही थी। तो हमें अच्छा लगा कि बांग्लादेश के लोग इस तरह ट्रीट करते हैं पाकिस्तानी सेलिब्रिटीज़ को, वो बहुत प्यारा सीन था और देखने में बड़ा ही खूबसूरत सीन था। और हमें पता है कि बांग्लादेश के लोग वैसे पाकिस्तानी लोगों के साथ बहुत प्यार करते हैं और मेहमान नवाजी बहुत करते हैं। अगर कोई भी वैसे उनके देश में आ जाए, उनके कंट्री में चला जाए बांग्लादेश के, तो ये चीज़ हमने वैसे देखी है। लास्ट हम याया खान के ब्लॉग भी देखते थे तो उधर भी हमें ये फील हुआ था कि बांग्लादेश के जो लोग हैं ना वो बहुत एक मतलब काइंड हैं और अगर कोई गेस्ट वगैरह कोई मेहमान आए, कोई मतलब ऐसे लोग बाहर से किसी कंट्री से फॉरेनर कंट्री से कोई आए तो उनका बहुत ख्याल रखते हैं। तो इस ब्लॉग के थ्रू भी हमें पता चला और बहुत ही प्यारा ब्लॉग बनाया हुआ था इन्होंने। वैसे हमने ओरिजिनल वीडियो का लिंक दिया हुआ है डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में, तो ज़रूर से चेकआउट करिएगा। हमने ये ब्लॉग देख के बड़ा अच्छा लगा ना,
बिल्कुल ऐसे काफी अच्छा लगा,
बड़ा प्यारा ब्लॉग बनाया हुआ था इन्होंने। सो बाकी आपने हमारे साथ इस ब्लॉग को देखा, कैसा लगा बताइए कमेंट सेक्शन में। हम मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट अच्छे से वीडियो के साथ, तब तक के लिए अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखें।